Hello friends. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your Apple ID or name in iPhone settings is grayed out and you can't tap on it. Let's get started with some simple solutions you can try right away. The first solution is to check the internet connection. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to the Settings app, then Wi-Fi, and confirm you're connected to a working network. If you're using mobile data, check if it has internet access. Apple ID needs the internet to work correctly, which is an important step. The second solution is to restart your iPhone. A quick restart can sometimes fix temporary glitches. Press the power button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Now go back to Settings app and check if your name is still grayed out. The third solution is to check screen time restrictions. Go to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap Screen Time. Again, scroll down and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's on, scroll down and check if the account is allowed. If it's set to Don't Allow, change it to Allow. Sometimes the setting blocks access to your Apple ID. The fourth solution is to check for updates. Go to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. Click on Software Updates. If there's an update available, install it. Bugs or glitches in older versions of iOS can cause the Apple ID to be grayed out. The fifth solution is to reset network settings. Go to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but will reset Wi-Fi and other network settings. After the reset, reconnect to Wi-Fi and check your Apple ID settings. The sixth solution is to contact Apple support. If none of these steps worked, there might be a deeper issue with your Apple ID or device. Visit Apple's official support website or use the Apple Support app to contact them directly. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.